So hey everyone, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, I'm the channel host, and 9 times out of 10 here, we're talking about building our drone business, doing construction progression reporting with drones, doing real estate with drones, and so much more work with drones. So if you're interested in drone topics and also building your own small drone business, you've landed on the right channel. And here we are just a few days before the new year, coming into 2022. And I decided to do this recording this morning because I'm going to be doing several recordings this week, so I wanted to let you know about them in advance. So as we're coming into 2022, we've got new plans for the upcoming year for our business and how to grow the business, new courses that we're going to be sharing over at teachable.com, new subjects for the folks over on our Patreon channel, and just random subjects for here on YouTube as well. For one instance, this week I'm going to be talking about my top 5 gear purchases of 2021, why these particular pieces of gear have helped me out, and how they could help you out or get you thinking about your own setups as well. So that's going to be coming up this week. We're also going to be talking about the growth in our construction progression reporting and the classes that we have on that, and also what we're planning on doing in 2022. Now, of course, our jobs are weather dependent, so our classes aren't always out on a certain schedule because we're always working around the weather here in Arizona. So in northern Arizona, we do see snow, sleet, freezing rain. During the summer, we have monsoon season, and in our high elevation, we often have very windy seasons. So there's a lot to work around for drone operators. But we're going to get some new courses out definitely this year. And we're going to be doing some new things with my See My Build website project. If you don't know about our See My Build website project, you might want to look back at some of our previous videos about construction progression reporting. You can also pop on over to our Teachable site, and we do have multiple classes on building up to doing drone construction progression reporting for your clients. Now, we also will be talking about gear beyond just our drones. We'll be talking about the camera that we're filming this with right now, our setup in studio, how we build our YouTube videos. All of these things are things that people have asked about. So over the course of 2022, not only are we going to be talking about our drone business, but we're going to be talking about all the particulars that go in to building a successful small drone business. All right, with that said, everybody, I'm going to wrap this one up. This was just a quick post for the start of the week heading into the new year. I hope everyone had a really great Christmas holiday season, had some time with friends and family. Maybe you've gotten some new drone equipment as well, and we can talk about that here as well. So any topics, questions, please feel free to leave a note down in the comments below. And also take a look down in our show description. We do have our links to our Teachable site and to our Patreon site. And by the way, we're rerunning our Black Friday sale right now for all of our classes in one bundled group. So right down below, there's a button you can click on to pop on over to Teachable to see that bundled class before we wrap it up for 2022. All right, everyone, we're going to see a lot of each other this week. So I hope this is a good primer for what's coming up in our videos this week.